In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background in Chat GPT. We will go from the very beginning, so even if you have never used it before, you can follow along easily. First, open your browser and search for Chat GPT. Type Chat GPT into the search bar, then press Enter. You should see several results appear. Look for the official OpenAI result near the top, usually showing the Chat GPT name and a short description about an AI chatbot. If your screen looks different, check that you spelled Chat GPT correctly before moving on. Now, click on the correct link. You want the one that clearly shows it is from OpenAI and mentions Chat GPT. When you click it, a new page will load with the Chat GPT welcome or sign in screen. You may see a short introduction and buttons to log in or sign up. That tells you that you are in the right place to access your account. Next, click Login. You will now choose between logging in with Google, Apple, phone, or email, then follow the prompts for that choice. If you pick Google or Apple, a window may appear asking you to select your account and confirm. If you pick phone or email, you will type that information and enter any code or password it requests. Take your time here, since mistyping your email or code is the most common reason people get stuck on this screen. Once you are fully logged in and can see the main Chat GPT interface, click your profile icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. This icon is usually a small circle, sometimes with your initials or a simple avatar. When you click it, a small panel or menu will slide out or pop up next to it. That is where the controls for your account and settings live. From that menu, select Settings. When you click Settings, a new window or side panel appears over the main chat area. You should now see different sections listed, such as General and other categories, along with various toggles and options. This is where you can adjust how Chat GPT behaves and looks. With the Settings window open, go to the General tab. It might already be selected by default, but if not, simply click General. The options in this tab control overall behavior, like language and appearance. You will see several sections stacked vertically, each with labels and sometimes explanation text under them. Now, locate the Appearance section and click the drop-down menu. The Appearance label is usually somewhere in the middle of the General tab. The drop-down will probably show one current choice, for example, light or dark. When you click it, a small list opens and you will see all the available background options ready to pick from. Finally, choose Dark, Light, or System, which automatically matches your computer operating system theme. When you click one of these options, the background of Chat GPT changes right away, without needing to save. If you pick System, the theme will follow whatever light or dark mode your computer uses, so it can change automatically over the day. You have now successfully changed the background theme in Chat GPT to match your eyes and your workspace. If this helped you get a more comfortable Chat GPT screen, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want more quick guides like this.